If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing GTA 5, there are several steps you can take to optimize your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce lag and improve performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. Reduce options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This will help your system run the game more smoothly. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download the latest drivers for your graphics card, which can improve performance and stability. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing more power to be allocated to GTA 5. Step 4. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of your game files through the platform you are using: Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help improve performance. Step 5. Adjust network settings. If you're playing online, check your network settings. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection, and consider adjusting your router settings to prioritize gaming traffic. By following these steps, you should notice a reduction in lag spikes and an overall improvement in your gaming experience. Enjoy your time in Los Santos.